Hi Barbie dolls! I'm AZUSA Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Maybe you can guess what I'm doing today, right? So I'm doing pink food cooking. Today I'm making Barbie chocolate with this cute chocolate mold. If you have watched all my Barbie convention vlogs this year, maybe you remember this, right? So I got this cute chocolate mold from Carla as a table gift this year. As soon as she gave me this, I totally thought about pink food cooking. Finally, I'm doing this today. Look at this. So there are cute purses, Barbie shoes, and lipstick. Last time when I made chocolate was like a long time ago, so I have no idea how it's gonna be like today. Let's start. I start with this white one. I put hot water, but not boiling. Wow, it already started melting. So with silicone spatula, make sure not to get any water in the chocolate container. Even with one water drop, could mess up chocolate. I wanna make this part white. It will look crazy. I know I'm using like a manicure tool, but you know what? I never used this tool and I cleaned like deeply. So this is clean. Don't worry. Oh my god, this is crazy. I think it's good. So for this part, I put white chocolate on pocket part. I'm making chocolate with the manicure tool. Again, it's clean. I never use this pusher. And I used toothpick to make the surface. Sorry, it was not recorded, but I used toothpick like this and made it flat. Now I need pink chocolate. I need to put food coloring here. You know, the one I always use for pink food cooking is beets powder or gel, like a coloring gel. But coloring gel is water-based, so we cannot use for chocolate. So today I'm using this one. This food coloring is oil-based, so it works good for chocolate. Wow, with one drop, it makes really strong pink color. Here. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be really cute. Oh my god, it's almost like surgery. Okay, I put here the pink bow, pink shoes. Okay, so watch. So like this kind of messy surface. So I use toothpick. Look, see? Yay! I also want to do this lipstick, but how can we only put on the top of the lipstick? You know what? This is literally an art. Wow! Wow! I think it will work. Ah! Oh my god, I put too much, I think. This is crazy pink, but it's okay. I take it. Actually, I put even more. Okay. How cute. Now I need a little bit of regular. So regular color, I want to use it for the bottom. Now I want to put this into fridge for just a little bit. Now I put the second layer. I'm so excited because I have no idea if it really works well or not. So I'm so excited to see how it comes at the ending. And at last, I want to put white. I'm feeling some bump. Okay, let's put in fridge. Here, do you guys remember this? It was one of the convention gifts. It was filled with all Barbie shirts, but I customized a little bit here. Now I can put those Barbie chocolates here. Ta-da! Oh my god. Are you ready? So excited. Look. There's a purse. Oh my god, look at this! This is so cute! This is so cute! Oh my god, I cannot believe it wasn't recorded. It looks so awesome. It looks so awesome. Like really awesome. Ah. Cool. It looks a little bit messy, but doesn't matter. Wow. These are like wow. Oh my god. I love them. I made Barbie chocolate. Ta-da! So let me show you. Who doesn't get excited with a box of chocolates? No one. No one does. So I made a box of Barbie chocolate by myself. Ta-da! Look, look, look. So there are purses, high heels, and lipstick. So cute. Like so cute, right? I kind of want to keep this one for a while. So let me put it back. I know you guys want me to try some, right? I have some here. Let me try. Let me try maybe lipstick. Itadakimasu. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I didn't put anything special for flavor, so it tastes totally like regular chocolate and white chocolate. So good. It's so good. I feel like the semi-sweet chocolate starts melting faster than white chocolate. Maybe it's easier to work with only with white chocolate, my opinion. Thank you, Tara. As I promised, I really made Barbie chocolate. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have fantastic Barbie day. Bye.